Welcome on MJSS YouTube channel. I am Navkan Misra with you to discuss alternate angles and hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, in last video I just discussed about the corresponding angles. In this video I have to discuss alternate angles. You know very well that when two lines intersect by the transversal at two distinct points. I have just naming it actually EF is transversal and it intersects AB and CD at two distinct points G and H, my dear. And by this way, how many angles are formed? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and the last one, angle 8. 8 different angles are formed. And here, before starting alternate angles, you have to just keep in the mind that alternate angles are of two types. First one is alternate interior angles, and second one is alternate exterior angles. Regarding alternate interior and exterior, you have to just keep in mind the first one, that alternate interior angles refers to interior with interior and exterior with exterior. Alternate angle is the relation. If you discuss the relation, because you know that alternate angles is the relation of the two angles, and it has been classified into two categories. It is due to that alternate interior angles are the relation between interior angles, and alternate exterior angles is the relation between or among, you can just say that, of the exterior angles. And interior and exterior angle, you know very well that interior angles are interior angles, and you know very well that interior angles in this case, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. And regarding exterior angles, and you know very well that angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. And what is the relation? If you discuss about the pair of alternate angles, then you must know that among these four angles, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles, and similarly angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. And if you discuss the relation of the alternate exterior angles, then angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles, and angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. These four relations are regarding alternate angles. And how can you say that angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles? I am going to discuss one by one regarding why these all are possible. My dear student, these four relations are, and you have to just check one by one. Angle 1 and 7. First I am going to discuss regarding angle 1 and angle 7. You know that with angle 1, how many possibilities are? 7 different possibilities. 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 3, angle 1 and angle 4, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 6, angle 1 and angle 7, and last one angle 1 and angle 8. 7 different possibilities are, and one by one you have to check that which one is, since one is exterior angles, so you have to discuss the alternate exterior angles, which pair is possible, and you know that only one pair is possible. And I have just mentioned 1 and 7, that is the possibilities. And why I am going to discuss one by one. 1 and 2 cannot be possible. 1 and 2 cannot be possible. Why? Because 1 and 2 are adjacent angles, and either corresponding or alternate angle cannot be adjacent angles. So first you can just cross that 1 and 2 cannot be possible because 1 and 2 are adjacent angles, or whatever alternate angles are non-adjacent angles. And after that you can just check that angle 1 and angle 3, 1 and 3, this one cannot be possible. Why it is not possible? It is due to that 1 is exterior and 3 is interior, and exterior cannot be combined with interior angle. Exterior combined with exterior, or interior combined with interior. So 1 and 3 cannot be possible. Similarly, 1 and 4 cannot be possible because 1 is exterior and 4 is in interior. 1 and 5, similarly the same region, cannot be possible because 1 is exterior and angle 5 is interior. Then you have to check 1 and 6, the same region, 1 is exterior and angle 6 is in interior. And now two regions are angle 1 and angle 7, and angle 1 and angle 8, two different possibilities are, and you have to just check that both are 1 and 7, 1 and 8, all are exterior angles. So let's check some more. 1 and 8 cannot be possible. 1 and 8 cannot be possible, but its reason is that alternate angles must be in the opposite side. Alternate angles must be in opposite side, cannot be in the same side. This is why 1 and 8, both you can just see that 1 and 8 belongs to the same side of the transversal. So 1 and 8 cannot be possible. So last and only one pair that is possible, 1 and 7. So you have to just keep in mind the alternate, either in case of interior or exterior, you have to just keep in mind alternate angles cannot be in the same side of the transversal. Alternate angle must be in the opposite side of the transversal. Alternate angles cannot be adjacent angles. Alternate angles must be, if one angle is exterior, then its relation must be with the exterior, and if it is interior, then it must be with the interior angles. So you can just see that if you discuss about the 3, then 3 its relation cannot be with 1, 2, 7 or 8 because angle 3 is interior angles, and interior only paired with interior angles. So you can't discuss angle 3 with angle 1 or angle 2 or angle 7 or angle 8. Cannot be possible in this case because all angles are exterior and angle 3 is interior. And one thing also, 3 cannot be possible with 4 because these two are adjacent angles and it should be non-adjacent, and 3 cannot be paired with 6 because it is the same side of the transversal. So only one options are angle 3 and angle 5. Hope you have to enjoy this session. Keep watching MGSS YouTube channel. Thank you very much.